How do I fix a whistling toilet flush?
Hello DIY plumbers and home fixer-uppers. Today, we are going to tackle an annoying issue that many of us have encountered in our homes, a whistling toilet flush. This can be an irritating sound, but don't worry, fixing it is a task you can often tackle on your own. So let's jump in and quiet that whistling toilet.
What causes a toilet to whistle?
Before we get our hands dirty, it's good to know why our toilet is whistling. Whistling noises generally come from one of two places, either the fill valve or the flapper valve. The fill valve, responsible for refilling the tank after a flush, might cause whistling if it's worn out or if the water pressure is too high. The flapper valve, which releases water from the tank into the bowl, can create a whistle if it's not sealing correctly.
Diagnosing the whistling toilet.
Alright, now that we know the potential causes, let's figure out which one is the culprit. First, we will check the fill valve. Simply flush the toilet and listen carefully. If the whistle sound comes on when the tank is refilling, it's likely the fill valve. But if the whistle starts when you flush and the water starts draining from the tank, it might be the flapper valve.
Fixing the fill valve.
If the fill valve is our offender, we can attempt to fix it. 1. Start by turning off the water supply to your toilet. 2. Remove the top of the fill valve and gently clean the interior of the valve with a small brush. 3. Then, check the water pressure. If it's too high, you might need to install a pressure-reducing valve. 4. If the whistling persists even after cleaning and adjusting the pressure, you may need to replace the fill valve. You can easily find a suitable replacement at your local hardware store.
Fixing the flapper valve.
Now, if it's the flapper valve causing the issue, 1. Again, turn off the water supply to your toilet. 2. Then, inspect the flapper for any signs of wear or damage. If it's worn out, replace the flapper valve. 3. If the flapper seems okay, it might not be sealing correctly. In this case, you can adjust the chain length. It should have just enough slack to allow the flapper to seal fully, but not so much that it gets caught under the flapper. 4. Lastly, if it's neither the chain nor the flapper, consider replacing the entire flapper assembly. And that's it. With a little patience and some handy work, you should now have a quiet, whistle-free toilet. Always remember that if the issue persists or you are uncomfortable with the task, there's no harm in calling in a professional. Thanks for joining us today, and happy fixing!